Good morning, you guys. We are already out and about. Met up with a friend, Mike, Fat and Furious on Instagram. He's got a group ride going. We're gonna head out to Mount Rushmore and just like a big loop. And it was kickstands up at 8, so we rushed like hell to get here. And thankfully, they haven't left yet. So yeah, we're getting things situated and we'll probably get on the road shortly. Be a lot of riding today. It'll be really fun. And then we have Nickelback tonight, so it's gonna be a jam-packed day. I'm gonna show you guys Mike's bike real quick, and then we'll probably hit the road. Quick stop in Keystone. We're getting pretty close to Rushmore now. A lot of nice riding, but you can already see it's getting way more touristy. There's signs everywhere. Starting to see more cars, not just bikes. So yeah, it's gonna be pretty busy. It's gonna be slow, but it should be really cool. We've never been, so looking forward to seeing the big faces as soon as I come around the corner. I don't know how we're gonna see them for the first time, but I'm excited.
George Washington, Abe Lincoln.
And
who's the guy with the mustache? And then the guy, the clean shave with the big nose.
They all have big noses.
Ah, you're right.
Thomas Jefferson.
Thomas Jefferson.
Theodore Roosevelt.
I knew that. I knew it. Just not right now.
How long do you think they took?
5 years per head.
What?
I don't know. How the fuck long do you think it would take?
6 months per head.
14 years, 6 years of actual carving, and 8.5 additional years due to weather delays and lack of funds.
Okay. So 6 years.
Technically 6 years if it was perfect.
So per head, that's a year and a half. We are about halfway through the Needles ride on the way up. Obviously, you guys have now seen all of that footage. So yeah, just grabbing a bunch of footage and enjoying the riding. Obviously, it is pretty slow because you have a bike in front of you, behind you, beside you, upside down you, every which way. But that's what you can expect during rally. Why is he?
Every year, all day, every day.
What the
There's
hell?
3 of them that revolve through.
He's gotta have AC in that motherfucker, right?
Either that or some soggy balls.
Pretty much everything about this ride, all the stops, has just been sick. So magical. And it is definitely lunchtime. This is breakfast and lunch for us. So we got a buffalo burger and a brat, some beans, the works. Just got into Buffalo Chip. We are here for Nickelback. Chloe loves Nickelback. I like their music too. Probably not as avid of a fan as this one, but you know. What about you, Dan? What's your opinion on Nickelback?
I like Nickelback. They've been around a while.
They have been around a while.
Smart guy. Smart guy.
Let's get in there and see what it's all about. All right, we are back from Nickelback. We're on Main Street, grabbing some dinner before we go to sleep. Dan, what'd you think of Nickelback?
I saw titties.
Yeah, there were a couple of titties on the big screen there. Energy was great. There were young people, like early 20s, that were just jamming out to Nickelback, which we freaking love because they're getting a little old. Chad Kroeger is 50 years old right now, FYI. Anyways, food, bed, peace out. Good morning. We are kicking things off here with Thunder Valley at their dyno trailer. They just put the bike back on, made some more adjustments, make sure that we have the tune as dialed as we can. That way, when I get back home, if we have to make changes, it's just not a whole bunch of different anomalies, right? So yeah, we're gonna head over to Black Hills Harley Davidson. It's about a 20-30 minute ride. Go check out all the vendors there, bring you guys along, see what we got. Yesterday I picked up magnetic engine oil dipstick as well as transmission, so that's nice. Now we'll be picking up the particulates in the oil with that. So I don't know if it's a novelty thing or not, but they look really good, and I feel good about them. All right, we are at Black Hills Harley Davidson, tons of vendors. I really like Sturgis and Daytona Bike Week because you actually have a lot of motorcycle performance or aesthetics, motorcycle parts. Arizona Bike Week was fun, but Arizona Bike Week has a lot of t-shirts, just like rally stuff, right? Not bike stuff. So, and that's, mostly accurate. Don't quote me on it. There are some performance companies out there, but a lot of shows, a lot of stuff like that. So Sturgis is really good for that. And then obviously the riding is absolutely incredible here as well. So basically you just get the best experience here. So it is cooking. Like, we have applied sunscreen like 3 times today.
It's 105 degrees.
It's pretty brutal right now. Like, I want to be at the lake. I want to be at the lake, or I want to be doing 90 in the shade.
From Washington, this just doesn't sit well with us.
No, not quite. So,
I can't do it. I mean, he likes the sun. I like a good 80. 80's my max.
we know we want it.
We just don't know the value of the dollar, but we know that we're gonna spend it.
Okay, I think that is a wrap on walking around here at Black Hills Harley Davidson. We may come back and do a little bit of shopping inside the actual Harley Davidson dealership, the Rapid City one. But in terms of vendors, we have done our looking, our chit-chatting, etc. I'm very happy with how many actual motorcycle booths there are here. Well over, I would say 70% of what's here is all stuff that you can buy, put on your bike, and be stoked that you got some new parts on a big motorcycle rally trip. Just got done with our reset, quick nap, shower, sit around, talk, relax a little bit. We're gonna go find some good dinner, hopefully do the best you can during rally week. They have rally menus pretty much everywhere, so yeah, take you guys along for dinner. We're gonna try to make it an early night, try to soak up the last couple of days of good riding. We got a French dip here with Swiss. Hers is with pepper jack. Dan's got a chicken burger. We got some chicken wings. jalapeno poppers. Let's go. Another night down. Hairball was really good. Food was pretty good. Tomorrow is going to be a lot cooler. It's supposed to be 75 and cloudy. So that's going to be the ideal day for us to get our walking around. Any booth, any vendor, any t-shirts we want to buy, anything like that. So yeah, that's our plan for tomorrow. See what else we get into. See you in the morning. Good morning, you guys. Coming at you live here from Sturgis Coffee Company. And we already got some t-shirts, burritos. Coffee is really good. They have some, bags you can buy. Yeah, it's up to Washington standard, and we have very good coffee. That is one thing that
And it's turned me into an absolute coffee snob.
Yeah.
And I'm sorry.
But yeah, so they have some cool, coffee cups that you can buy, shirts, merchandise, coffee bags. This quick because of copyright audio, but we just got dropped off at Gas Monkey Garage. We are Ubering it for tonight, so that means tonight is our night to get a little crazy, so stick with us. Was fun. We watched like 10 people get down. Like 4 of them were good. A couple bad ones. I know, but like you don't want to say they were bad, right? Because like they put themselves out there. For sure.